Okay, we're back at it. This is so dumb. This dog eats everything. Alright, let's go after you, you stupid ass. Ah! No, he really wants the orange thing this time. Get off! No! He wants both! You stop! No! Stop him! No! This dog needs to stop eating everything. He's on the car. Get him around the trailer. Stop trying to hit him like a freaking cow. Going in for the kill. Ah! Strip him. He attacked Max. No, he went savage on us. Hey, come here. Come here. No. You maybe won this time. But next time I'll stop you for sure. Sam! Over here! No! He dodged my attack! Oh, he bumped. Every time I tackle it, you can't see it because I like mass record. Okay, so press the red button when it's over and press pause. Don't press the red button yet.
We're gonna use this to try to bait him.
There's two Max.
We got the ball. Hey, Maximo! Max, have the ball.
Round 2.
Max.
Fight.
No, which way? Which toys? There, that's Alex. He fell. R.I.P. for Alex. Look, they're taunting each other. Oh, Freddy!
Oh no! The scooter can't climb over this.
Alex versus dog.
Don't show my butt.
There's TJ. TJ, get out of the cam! There's a fight. Alex versus the dog. I think. TJ, get out the cam! No. Alex is the loser of the fight. Okay, he's gonna retry. There is Doge again. And here's Mimi the Beast. Mimi is the beast. That's Mimi the Beast. So, okay, there's the dog. Alex is trying to juke him. No, dog juked him.
Give me your collar.
Dog's coming, dog's coming. Dog's close. Alex, use this! They got him away from the other side. Okay. Alex has this new invention.
Down.
No, don't you that you use that to grab his collar. Yeah, grab his collar. Ride him.
Don't ride.
Get on him. Okay. Alright, dog turned back, he has it.
No.
Dog's coming. That is dog. Here's Alex. Dog versus Alex. Oh no, dog missed. He missed. Get the dog. I will try to help you. Get the dog. I can't get him. I touched. Guys, this is crazy. Alex is going after him. They're going around the corner. Dog. Alex has died from the juke. He broke his ankles. Look at his death.
And approach him like most others.
Yeah, there's Alex. There's them dog. Where's dog? Dog, you're so fat.
What are you doing? No, I'm talking to him.
Where's the dog? Alex is trying to talk to the dog. The dog's so confused. The dog is the confused dog ever.
Get out!
Get out! I got hit by his twig. Alex, he's coming your way! There's Alex dead on the ground. He's coming.
No, drop him! Get his collar!
I got his collar.
Hold it.
I got his collar, guys.
Now watch me punch it like a savage. Go. Hold it. No!
Like, unpause.
You can't punch it out. Give it.
He's fighting.
I win.
He wins.
Battle of the dog. I win. Get me that.